arbitrationagreements.org. This is not an easy topic to broach, but if you are here, considering a change in the trajectory of your marital journey, we aim to provide you with information and support. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you keep costs low whenever problems occur. Did you know that every 13 seconds there is a divorce in America? This equates to 276 divorces an hour. Such numbers can be overwhelming, but what if there were a better way to navigate this challenging process? We want to introduce you to an alternative that can reshape the face of divorce. Alternative dispute resolution, commonly known as ADR. Instead of stepping into a courtroom feeling the weight of judgment and pressure, ADR provides an avenue for couples to work things out in a more constructive environment. Mediation, a form of ADR, fosters communication and can be the solution you are looking for in your divorce. But why choose ADR over a courtroom divorce? The benefits are plenty. Time. A typical courtroom divorce can stretch on for months, sometimes even years. With ADR, the time frame is significantly reduced. Cost. Traditional divorces often come with hefty legal fees. A DR minimizes those costs, giving you financial peace during an already challenging time. Stress. A DR offers a space for both parties to be heard, reducing the emotional strain and offering a more harmonious resolution. And the best part, you can now divorce online through us at arbitrationagreements.org. As the leading association in the country, we provide full-scale divorce programs, services, and resources. When you choose our platform, you are opting for a process that is transparent, efficient, and tailored to your needs. We understand the emotional, financial, and mental toll a divorce can have on individuals and families. Our mission is to ease that burden. By offering online services, we ensure accessibility and flexibility, so you can move through this chapter of your life with as much ease as possible. Considering a divorce is never easy, but we are here to help, guide, and support. Choose an alternative. Choose understanding. Choose arbitrationagreements.org. We do not provide legal advice, but give us a call if you are considering starting a new account or case. Also, what do you think about alternative dispute resolution? Which advantage is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help you save time and money.